today's video, I got something fun that I wanted to do with my car. So we got some packages here, just a 4-inch coupler. So as you can see, we got basically what is a velocity stack. Nothing too crazy. This is obviously Speed by Spectra, which I hate this company. This is what they carry at AutoZone. It's basically like AutoZone brands like Kirkland for Costco. Except AutoZone, they don't have shit like this. They don't actually have anything like this in store. Like nothing. Like if you want to get this at AutoZone, yeah, fucking right. Or at least in SoCal, I don't know. For a filter, I was gonna get. I believe this outer diameter of this is about 6. So I was gonna go get a 6-inch filter, but I don't want to run a filter on this right now. It's not raining. The turbo's pretty high up, so it doesn't really get anything. I've had the turbo even lower with just like a turbo guard, and it was fine. Cause you know, turbo spinning so fast, even when you're not really in boost like that, and just little debris. Not only is it possibly gonna get sucked up, but it'll damage the compressor wheel. So screen door mesh, I got this at Home Depot for like $6. This is like the smallest roll we can get, $6. So we're gonna just cut out a piece of this. Here we go. Here it is. A little worm gear clamp on there, that's all it needs. Take this one off. Let's see, there you go. I had this, see this part right here? It's like a little silencer ring that these turbos have. It sounds gnarly when you take them off, but it's too high pitched for me, so I'll put it back on. Turbo's good, shaft play, but I feel like the in and out play is worse than shaft play. Oh yeah, it's looking good now. Trumpet on this thing now. Oh yeah, looks good. I wanted to paint it, but I don't have time for that. I wanted to do this video. I wonder if it'll increase induction sound. I kind of doubt it. Maybe not by a noticeable amount, but it's not too harsh of an angle in there, so you know, it's nothing crazy. Just something fun I wanted to do.
I don't know if y'all can hear me, but here go a cold start. Velocity stack cam. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall down. I'll be extremely sad. I got no case for this thing.